Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Also, if you find the video useful, please smash that thumbs up button. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove front transmission mount on a 2006 Hyundai Sonata with a 2.3 V6 automatic transmission. First thing you got to do is remove the bolt going through the rubber bushing, holding it to the bracket, onto the bracket that bolts to the transmission. That's a 13mm bolt with a 13mm nut on the left hand side. Let's get that removed and we'll show you what's next. Alright guys, now we got this bolt removed out of the center of the mount here, the rubber mount itself coming across. Now we can undo the 3 bolts. There's one there, one right there, on the mount itself, holding it to the frame the unibody frame of the car. And those are a 14mm. Let's get those removed. Alright guys, we got those bolts removed there. Now we can pick them up, move them out of the way. There's all 3 of the 14mm bolts. Now once you got them out of the way, you should just slide the transmission mount straight up out the way. And then if you're replacing it, reinstall a new one. Just do the opposite steps. Hopefully y'all find this video useful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. You'll have a great day.